If you've made it to this video, you're probably tired of feeling embarrassed by the dark spots on your face, and you no longer like what you see when you look in the mirror with so many spots taking over your skin. But what if I told you that yes, there is a product that can reverse blemishes, all signs of damage and aging, and still leave your skin looking fresh and young? Well, look no further than Biorestore Complete, which is a natural serum made up of 16 natural ingredients, scientifically proven to clear dark spots, protect against harmful radiation, and erase all signs of damage and aging on the face. Biorestore Complete has been formulated based on recent scientific research, which proves once and for all that dark spots are not a sign of aging. They are actually caused by what scientists now call modern blue radiation that oxidizes the skin and leaves it open to attack. If you haven't visited the official Biorestore Complete website, I left the link in the description of this video, so you can learn about all the benefits this serum can promote, as well as all the scientific references behind this unique formula are available for you to read on the site. Taking advantage that we talked about the official site, I will make a brief warning to be careful with retail sites like Amazon, among others, which offer Biorestore Complete with attractive prices, but are of dubious origin, i.e., may be counterfeit, since the manufacturer itself makes it clear that the sale of the original Biorestore Complete is only made on the official site. So be careful not to lose your money or damage your health. Biorestore Complete is certainly different from anything you've ever tried, because besides being a natural formula, free of side effects, it also has no stimulants or chemicals in its composition, is manufactured in FDA-approved facilities, under strict and precise sterile standards, and is therefore considered a safe product, and simple to use. Biorestore Complete comes in a bottle with a dropper. Each bottle supplies 30 days of use. The way to use this serum is quite simple. You should apply it in the morning and before bed, after cleansing the face or the affected areas. Biorestore Complete is safe to use on the neck, décolletage area, or hands. Always remember to take your treatment seriously, day after day, if you want to see the results you expect. Thousands of users are reporting amazing results with Biorestore Complete. Imagine feeling so confident in your own skin, waking up every morning with a youthful, radiant glow. That's the power of Biorestore Complete. So if all the embarrassment caused by skin blemishes is limiting you and affecting your self-esteem, I strongly recommend you to use Biorestore Complete Serum. I'm sure you will thank me for this review in the future. What's more, Biorestore Complete is covered by a 60-day money-back guarantee. That is, the manufacturer is so confident that you will get results that they offer you the opportunity to test the product, and if within 60 days you don't notice any improvement in your skin, you can ask for your money back with no further questions asked. So you have nothing to lose. Well, I'm done here. This is all I have to say about this wonderful serum that can restore your self-esteem and confidence. Remember to buy it only from the official website for your safety. The link is in the video description. I wish you health and success. See you later.